Good morning students, welcome back to online class of English first of class second. How are you all? I hope you all are fine there. Here Achal Mittal and I will teach you English first. As you all know, your 4 classes of English first is over. Today is your class 5th and in this class I will explain you your 3rd chapter and then I will give you exercise of that chapter. Not further delay, take out your book and open page number 15. Students, here your 3rd chapter. And your 3rd chapter name is kind of sentences. Chapter I will tell you about the kinds of sentences. Students, here are 4 kind of sentences: assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence and exclamatory sentence. In short way I have written here, you can see here kind of sentences, and your first is assertive sentence. स्टूडेंट्स, असर्टिव सेंटेंस वो सेंटेंस होते हैं जिसमें हम एक स्टेटमेंट को एक्सप्रेस करते हैं, उसका फैक्ट बताते हैं. जैसे नॉर्मल सेंटेंस हम बोलते हैं मिस कविता इज़ अ डॉक्टर, आई एम ए गुड गर्ल एंड ऑल. तो ये सेंटेंसेस होते हैं आपके असर्टिव सेंटेंस. एंड ऑलवेज ये सेंटेंस हमेशा एक फुल स्टॉप से एंड होते हैं. आफ्टर द सेंटेंस वी पुट अ फुल स्टॉप हियर. आई हैव मेड हियर द पंक्चुएशन ऑफ फुल स्टॉप. यू कैन सी हियर the full stop. In this way we put the full stop. Now next is interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence वो sentence होते हैं जिनमें हम कोई क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं. Example, what are you doing, where are you going, etc. and always end with an interrogative mark, in which we put a interrogative mark means students question mark. Here is a question mark, we put always a interrogative sentence. Now third, imperative sentence, express an order or request. Students, जब हम किसी को ऑर्डर देते हैं या हम किसी से किसी चीज़ के लिए रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं तो वो सेंटेंसेस होते हैं हमारे imperative sentence. Example, open the door. In this sentence we are giving a order. Open the door हम ऑर्डर दे रहे हैं. And the next is प्लीज़ गिव मी योर बुक. इसमें हम रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं. एंड दीज सेंटेंसेस इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंस हमेशा फुल स्टॉप से एंड होते हैं. इट ऑलवेज एंड्स विद अ फुल स्टॉप. नाउ नेक्स्ट सेंटेंसेस. स्टूडेंट्स, एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंसेस आर द सेंटेंस इन विच वी एक्सप्रेस अवर स्ट्रॉन्ग फीलिंग. जब हम किसी चीज़ को देखते हैं तो उसके लिए हमारे मन में क्या फीलिंग आती है हम एकदम एक्सप्रेस करते हैं उसको. जैसे वाओ व्हाट अ वंडरफुल कार, और वाओ व्हाट अ ब्यूटीफुल डे, व्हाट एंड हियर इज़ एग्जांपल हाउ ब्यूटीफुल द गर्ल इज़. सो वाओ एंड हाउ, these all words we use in the exclamatory sentences and it always end with a exclamation mark. Here is a exclamation mark. In this way we put here. I have already made. So this is the explanation of your 3rd chapter. Now come on your explanation. Here I explained you assertive sentence in which we expresses a statement and always put a full stop after the end of the sentence. And example is Miss Kavita is a doctor, my father is a businessman. Same as I have explained you interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence ask a question about something. I have already told you in this sentence we always ask a question and always put a question mark at the end of the sentence. This is the identity of interrogative sentence. And the assertive sentence identity, full stop here, and that is a statement, that is complete sentence. And imperative sentence in which we give order or request. हम जब order देते हैं, request करते हैं, shut up, this is a order. And please open the door or open the door, this is a please open the door, this is a request. So this is about request and order. This is called imperative sentence and always we put full stop at the and in the end of imperative sentence. Now exclamatory sentence in which we express our strong feeling. Here you can see strong feeling. I already explained you when we feel something about something, like how beautiful, how wonderful, what a beautiful day. So this is the exclamatory sentence, and always we put exclamation mark. This is the identity of exclamatory sentence. We always put exclamation mark. In this way we put, this is the exclamation mark. Okay, I hope you all get the explanation of this sentence, I mean this chapter. In Hindi and English both I have explained you. Now come on your exercises. Here on page number 16. Open page number 16, all of you. Only 2 exercises are here in this chapter. That's why I have completed today. I will complete it. Now come on here. Your first exercise, A exercise is here. Read the following sentences carefully and write down their types in the boxes. First is what does your father do? In this, what we are doing, we are asking a question, and at the last here is a question mark. And what I told you, the identity of interrogative sentence is a question mark, so it is an interrogative sentence I have written here. You all can able to write from this picture. Now next, there is no tea in the flask. This is a statement. We are saying it is a fact. There is no tea in the flask. Flask में चाय नहीं है, तो it is a assertive sentence. Now next, is he your friend? Here what is coming? Interrogation mark means question mark. So this is interrogative sentence. Now next, how clever these boys are. We are what we are showing our strong feeling. How clever these boys are, and what is here? Exclamation mark. So it means it is a exclamatory sentence. I have written here exclamatory. Okay. Now next, do it at once. So here we are giving order. Do it at once. एक बार में करो. So this is imperative. Okay. Now next, I am learning French. So this is assertive sentence because we are telling a fact. Assertive sentence here. We are not doing any request. We are not giving orders. So this is a simple sentence. This is assertive sentence. Now next, who are these people? What is coming here? Question mark. Question mark means it is an interrogative sentence, and the question is who are these people? ये लोग कौन हैं? So this is the interrogative sentence. Now next, these children are plucking flowers. ये बच्चे फूल तोड़ रहे हैं. We are giving a statement here. So it is a assertive sentence. Here I have written assertive. Now next, how tall the building is. Okay, what is coming here? Exclamation mark. It is very easy to identify this sentence. This is exclamatory sentence because we are showing our strong feeling. Now next, they have finished their task. उन्होंने अपना टास्क फिनिश कर लिया है. So this is a assertive sentence. So this is also a assertive sentence. So your first exercise is over. You all can take a screenshot, and after that you can write your answers in your book with neatly. Okay. Now come on, next exercise here. Your B exercise. Question of B exercise is, put the correct punctuation mark at the end of each of the following sentences in the given boxes. Strings punctuation mark means full stop, question marks, exclamation mark. These all are called punctuation mark जो हम sentence के end में use करते हैं. Here are some boxes. You have to put punctuation mark according to the sentence here. Please come here. Here what we are doing? We are requesting. Please come here. कृपया यहाँ आइए. तो यहाँ पे आएगा full stop. Now next, Hindi is my mother tongue. Simple sentence, so it is a full stop. Write a letter to your friend. It is also a simple sentence. Assertive sentence means here full stop. India is an ancient country, so this is also a assertive sentence. Here it will come. What will come? Full stop. It is a sunny day. Full stop. I like to study English. मुझे इंग्लिश पढ़ना पसंद है. Full stop, because it is also a assertive sentence. What a tall man. What a tall man. हम एक मैन को अप्रिशिएट कर रहे हैं, उसके बारे में बता रहे हैं, फीलिंग शेयर कर रहे हैं. So it is a exclamatory sentence. So here what will come? Exclamation mark. Now next, What is your name? Here what we are doing, if I will ask you what is your name, so I am asking a question to you now. So this is a interrogative sentence. Here a question mark will come. Now how naughty these boys are, I am telling a feeling, I am expressing a feeling too. So this is exclamatory sentence. Here exclamation mark will come. Now next, this road leads to Agra. ये road आगरा तक जाती है. So this is a simple sentence. Here full stop will come. So in this way you all have to put the punctuation in the boxes. You all can take a screenshot after pausing the video. So students, this exercise A and B is over, means your full chapter number 3 over. I hope you all get the explanation and exercise of this chapter, and then your homework is you all have to learn lesson number 2, because I will take your test. I will give you revision test in next week. So all have to learn your lesson number 2, and this work you have to do in your book. For today it is sufficient. Thank you and have a nice day. I will meet you in next class.